everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Very tasty and delicious breakfast recipe, or you can eat it any time of the day as an appetizer. How to make such a super delicious potatoes? That I'm going to share with you today. So without wasting any time, let's get started. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. So boiled potatoes. It's not fully boiled. I put it in pressure cooker. I gave only 10 minutes. Then I opened it and took it out. The tip I wanted to share with you, once it's cooled down, I put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Now they are nice and firm. They are not fully boiled. You can keep it the skin on, but I'm going to peel it. So we're going to cut into small cube-sized pieces, and then we're going to use spices, butter, olive oil, lemon juice, dry cilantro. If you have fresh, you can use fresh. All the potatoes are peeled. This is what I have done. I did not boil fully. If it's fully boiled, then it's easy to peel. But the thing is, I use a peeler because it's hard to take the skin off. Grab potato and we're going to cut right in the middle. As you can see, it's not cooked from inside. And we're going to make 4 cuts. So I'm going to cut like this size pieces. The tip I mentioned to you, putting in fridge, that helps. If the potatoes are too big, then do this. Make 6 pieces. So I'll finish up cutting the same way. Start your burner. First thing we're going to do, add olive oil. 1 tablespoon olive oil and 1 tablespoon butter. As the butter started to melt, we're going to add the potatoes. If you haven't tried butter with the potatoes, then please try it. So we're going to mix it well so that all the potatoes are nicely coated with olive oil and the butter. After mixing it well, as you see, all the potatoes are nicely coated with olive oil and butter. As you see, cooking for like 2 minutes, they start to change the color. So we're going to make sure that we're going to turn each one of them over. And look at this. This is a beautiful texture, what we are looking. So once it's a nicely golden brown on each side, then we're going to add spices. As you see, it's a nicely golden brown. Now we're going to add spices. Salt is always to taste. I'm going to add a half teaspoon. Black pepper, half teaspoon. And red crushed pepper, half teaspoon. If you like it hot, add some more. Now mix it well. Once all the spices are nicely combined with the potatoes, now I'm going to get lemon and I'm going to squeeze the juice on top of it. One whole lemon. Mix it well. After mixing it well, now we're going to add dry cilantro. Mix it well. Our dish is all ready. I'm going to turn off the gas and I'm going to dish out. Very delicious. Let me share with you. Pan-fried potatoes. These are super delicious. You can use this as an appetizer or you can use as a side dish. You can serve with a breakfast along with the scrambled eggs or half fry egg. This is perfect. So good. The texture is really good. It doesn't take that long. Please try and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe to Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye. So good.